Hi, this is Darren at Shonnard's Nursery. Native plants can be a great solution for some of your tough landscaping sites. Today I'd like to talk about 7 great native plants for hot, dry locations. A great tree for a tough site, and a very great local native, is the Oregon white oak. A slow-growing tree, but a massive specimen with age. This is a tree that is so dry tolerant that it actually detests summer watering. A plant that is not all widely recognized for its drought tolerance, but is extremely adaptable to dry conditions, is one of our showiest native shrubs, the red flowering currant. Bright pink early spring blooms are a stunning display, and the plant is very adaptable and widespread throughout our area. Another larger shrub that is very dry tolerant is the western mock orange. Western mock orange is a much later blooming, bringing us some pleasant flowers late spring and into early summer. Very pleasant white and fragrant flowers. A rather large shrub, so give it adequate space. It can be as large as 12 feet tall or so. A fun spot of color in the heat of summer for a dry garden is Oregon sunshine, Eriophyllum lanatum. A nice spreading perennial for extremely arid locations. Pearly Everlasting is one of our longest blooming perennials. They start blooming in the earlier parts of summer and will continue to have good flowers show all the way through fall. This is an incredibly adaptable plant, loves dry sites, and grows all the way from the sand line at the beach up to high mountain locations. Yarrow is another very long blooming native perennial, flowers through the most part of the summer and again into the early fall. It's a very adaptable plant for sun or shade in dry locations. It can spread as a ground cover or be grown more as a single specimen plant. Our native asters also provide great drought tolerance and an incredible floral display in the very late part of the season, which is critical for late pollinators. Hall's aster here is supremely drought tolerant, blooming in August and September, and just a very hardy perennial for all kinds of tough sites.